Happy birthday, Wayne!
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Wayne!
Happy birthday, Wayne! Happy birthday, Wayne! Happy birthday, Wayne! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Wayne. Ingat ka palagi. God bless po.
Birthday, Jerwin, bakla. Bago.
Happy birthday, Wayne!
Happy birthday, Wayne! Hi, Wayne! Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Jerwin! Wish ko sa birthday mo, good health, and thanks sa friendship na binigay mo at sa grupo mo, thank you. Sana maging friends ko pa rin ikaw at ang grupo mo after ko graduate. See you sa school, mabait ka, and wala mo ng boys. Paganda mo na, ha? Okay, bye-bye! And happy birthday ulit. Happy 18th birthday. Hindi ako nagkakamali.
Hey, Jerwin. Happy 18th birthday. Tapos, lang mo sabi. Sabihin ko, ayun. Wish you all the best in life. Tapos, sana makahanap ka ng mga lalaki. Tapos, ayan, bawas-bawas na nakalabihan mo lang. Ayun nga. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Wayne, happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday to you. May laro ko eh! And may you grow into responsible young girls and more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and have a great day. Enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday to you, Wayne.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so